If you want to find an entry-level IT job in today's market, you need a specific plan for the next 12 months. Standard career advice usually stops at get certifications and do labs. While that's technically true, it doesn't provide the actionable steps needed to actually move from an application to an offer. To bridge that gap, we're using a 5-step roadmap designed to take you from zero experience to a hired professional within a 6 to 12-month window. This involves building a foundation, creating a verifiable portfolio, using AI for optimization, and bypassing the high-volume application filters. Executing these steps in sequence removes the guesswork from your search, ensuring your resume demonstrates the specific technical competencies that hiring managers are looking for. Step 1 is establishing your technical baseline. For most, this means earning the CompTIA trifecta, the A+, Network+, and Security+, or the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. It takes roughly 6 to 12 months to properly study and absorb this foundational material. The common trap here is the perpetual study loop. Many candidates spend months reviewing material, but never actually sit for the certification exams. To avoid this, you should purchase and schedule your exam date before you even begin studying. This creates a hard deadline on your calendar, forcing your study schedule to work backward from a fixed point. This upfront commitment creates the accountability needed to ensure you finish the curriculum and earn a verifiable credential. Step 2 requires you to take that theoretical knowledge and apply it in a practical home lab environment. You need to gain experience with the tools used in enterprise environments. This includes setting up Windows Server, managing users in Active Directory, and navigating the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and Entra. Simply doing these labs is only the first half of the process. To get hired, you need to turn that work into evidence. You do this by documenting your technical process step by step using Markdown language. Once your documentation is complete, host those files in a public GitHub repository. This public repository turns your private practice into a technical portfolio that proves to a hiring manager you can actually perform the tasks required for the job. Step 3 is using AI to optimize your application materials so they align with the specific requirements of each job posting. You can feed a specific job description into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a resume that highlights your relevant skills and lab work for that exact role. Direct the AI to replace vague descriptions with quantifiable data. Instead of saying you practiced security labs, the AI can help you draft a bullet point about simulating a SIM environment to detect and block 15 specific attacks. Use this same logic for your LinkedIn profile. Use AI to generate clear, action-oriented descriptions of your technical projects and certifications. To complete your professional profile, ensure your LinkedIn account is verified and includes a clear headshot and a professional banner. This data-driven approach to tailoring helps your resume clear automated filters and shows hiring managers that your experience directly matches their needs. Step 4 is about changing how you apply. Your first move should be to stop using the easy apply or one-click application features. Those features often lead to a digital black hole where your application is buried under thousands of other identical resumes from around the world. Instead, find the job on the board, then navigate directly to the company's official corporate website to submit your application there. For an extra advantage, identify the hiring manager mentioned in the LinkedIn post. Use AI to draft a concise, professional message and reach out to them directly to express your interest. Keep track of every application and follow-up in a structured spreadsheet. This ensures you stay organized as you manage multiple outreach efforts. 10 targeted applications with direct outreach are more effective than hundreds of generic submissions that never get seen by a human. Step 5 is mastering the interview. Once you get to the table, you have to be able to talk through your technical knowledge clearly. A common hurdle is the "tell me about yourself" question. Many candidates hesitate here, which can set a shaky tone for the rest of the conversation. To fix this, record yourself delivering your elevator pitch 10 to 15 times. Watching the playback helps you spot verbal tics and refine your posture until the delivery feels natural. You can also use the ChatGPT voice feature to conduct mock interviews. Ask it for 5 technical questions common for a junior sysadmin and practice answering them out loud. This vocal practice builds the confidence needed to articulate your technical knowledge and answer difficult questions under pressure. Even with a great plan, the IT job market is competitive. Success requires a high level of consistency over several months. In many cases, it takes between 30 and 150 optimized applications to secure just 1 or 2 interviews. You can focus on the difficulty of the market, or you can focus on the variables you can control: your certifications, your labs, and your outreach. Executing these 5 steps shifts your job search from a passive wait for a callback into an active campaign that highlights your technical capabilities. There is a lot more to help you at JobSearch.Community. Free content, $1 and $2 content, video courses, books, guides to job search. And if you become an insider, you'll receive coaching from Jeff Altman, the big game hunter, and access to all the content.